Hi, how can I help you today?
Hello, I'm looking for a t-shirt. Do you have any?
Yes, we do. What color do you prefer?
I like blue. Do you have a blue one?
Sure. Here is a blue t-shirt. What size do you need?
I'm looking for a medium size.
Here you go. Would you like to try it on?
No, it looks good. How much is it?
It's $15.
Great, I'll take it. Do you have any other colors?
Yes, we also have red, green, and black. Would you like to see them?
I'll take a red one too. What sizes do you have in red?
We have small, medium, and large in red. Do you want to try those on?
Medium size in red, please.
Here you go. Anything else I can help you with?
Do you have any jeans or trousers?
Yes, we do. We have jeans, chinos, and leggings. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a pair of jeans. What styles do you have?
We have skinny, slim, and regular fit. Do you prefer any of those?
I think I'll go for slim fit. Do you have them in blue?
Yes, we do. Here's a pair of slim fit jeans in blue. What size do you usually wear?
I usually wear 32.
Here is size 32. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, I'll try them on. Where is the fitting room?
It's just over there to the right. Let me know if you need any help.
Thanks. The jeans fit well. I'll take them. How much are they?
The jeans are $30.
Okay, I'll take the t-shirt and jeans. Do you have any accessories like hats or bags?
Yes, we have a collection of hats and bags. Would you like to see them?
Yes, I'm looking for a new hat. Do you have any baseball caps?
We do. We have a few colors, including black, gray, and white. What color do you like?
I like black. Can I see it?
Here is a black cap. Would you like to try it on?
Sure, I'll try it on. It looks good. How much is it?
The cap is $10.
Great. I'll take the cap as well.
Perfect. Would you like to pay by card or cash?
I'll pay by card.
Okay, please follow me to the counter. Would you like to sign up for our store membership? You can get discounts and special offers.
Sounds good. What are the benefits?
With the membership, you get 10% off every purchase and special promotions for birthdays and holidays.
That sounds great. How do I sign up?
I just need your name, email address, and phone number.
Sure, I will write them now.
Thank you. You're now a member. You'll get a discount on your purchase today as well.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Your total is $55 after the discount.
Here's my card.
Your receipt is in the bag. Thank you for shopping with us. Have a great day.
Thanks. You too.